Welcome back, learner buddies. I am back with a brand new topic in front of you only. The name of the topic is climate extremes. That why the weather becoming more unpredictable day by day, because it is gonna be a very serious problem that we are facing actually. Recent floods, recent climate change, recent weather conditions that are completely unpredictable. Why all these things are happening? We are going to study all these things by today only. So, of course, it is gonna be a very good topic. Buckle up your seats and obviously present here with me physically and mentally. First of all, if I introduce this topic, actually in the recent years, extreme weather phenomena more frequently changes in the parts of the whole world, like heat waves, like powerful storms, even floods, and also it caused lots of physical damage, impact the health and economy, and also environment as well. Global climate change is one of the main factor behind all this instability, and obviously it is very difficult to predict about all these things because this is so sudden. It is moreover like catastrophe for everyone. It is kind of a sudden disaster which is unpredictable. So definitely it impact human life as well. We have to make the possible that these things are gonna be diminished somehow, so we have to work upon all these things. Definition of the extreme climate change is actually it is the referring to the weather conditions that are outside the normal or average range of weather that usually occur in a region. It is actually very different from the normal or average conditions. The phenomena actually includes the weather events that is unusual become intensify, and the frequency go change, and the duration also has affected by all these extremely climate change effects, and such as like definitely storms and typhoons. In the coastal areas it is very common. Extreme rainfall and flooding recently in northern side of the India is facing the same. Heat waves definitely in the summer season, that is more than normal temperature. The heat waves are there, and prolonged drought. Some places like in Rajasthan and other desert areas, there are prolonged droughts that we are facing by the extreme change in the climate. So these are actually linked to the climate change, which is we can say that it is exacerbate extreme weather events in lots of the places, and this actually phenomena increase the impact of the human ecosystem, habitation, and every other factors that we are depending on. So definitely we have to be concerned about this topic as well. Now let's talk about the reason that why weather is becoming more unpredictable day by day. There are actually mainly four reasons we are going to discuss one by one. First is the global warming. It is the definite increased temperature in the Earth atmosphere, which is caused by the certain emissions of the gases. Second is natural phenomena. Natural phenomena like earthquakes, volcano eruption, floods, and storms are the things that actually have a very much impact on the climate change and obviously unpredictability of the weather. Next is greenhouse gas emissions like carbon dioxide, methane, and other carbon emission gases into the atmosphere are basically by the human activities only. So this is such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, industrial process, urbanization, and many more things which actually produce the greenhouse gases, which become ultimately change the whole climate. Now, fourth and the last point is that changing in the airflow pattern, which is actually making that air in a low pressure pattern, which cause the shift of the atmospheric temperature density, and also even at the severe case, it as well change the earth rotation. So it is gonna be impact if the earth rotation is gonna be changed. Definitely, weather condition would be definitely changed because earth rotation is actually dependent on the weather system of the whole globe. So that is these are all phenomena, and we can say that reasons that changes the weather unpredictably. Now next thing, that what are the impact of the extreme climate on the life? There are different impacts, I can say that. For example, on health, it impact health because extreme increased frequency of extreme weathers like heat waves, storms, floods, and wildfires, even it actually cause the direct injury and even severe condition death as well. The second thing that we are affected with is agriculture and food. Definitely, when all these catastrophes happen, it impact agriculture through the reduced crop yield, increase the pesticides and diseases outbreak, and livestock stress as well. Third thing, that how we are impacted by the extreme climate, that is infrastructure. It impact infrastructure through the direct damage like floods, heat waves, storms, earthquakes, and leading to the even higher maintenance cost, and obviously disruption and destructions are there. Fourth thing, that how we impact, how we got impact by the extreme climate change, that is economy impact actually through the damaged infrastructure, reduce of the agriculture outlet, and obviously supply chain disruption and lower labor productivity. So all are these the direct impact on the human thing, and this is the impact and effect of the extreme climate change on the life. Now we are going to talk about how does climate affect the extreme weather. How does climate change actually affect the extreme weather? First is rising sea temperature, including accelerating ice melt. Actually, sea level rises, more extreme weather events like hurricanes and disruption of marine ecosystem. Definitely, it impacted by the rising sea temperature. Second thing is that changes in airflow. I already mentioned that thing. Climate change also change the pressure, become more less pressure at that moment, and it actually intense the heat waves by trapping the air over the areas, and it actually lead the more air pollution. Third thing is that melting polar ice. Obviously, if the climate change is gonna be happen and the temperature gonna be rise, definitely polar ice caps are gonna be melt. And extreme climate change actually did this thing. Rising sea levels by the just melting of the polar ice are actually interconnected to each other, which threaten the coastal communities, and obviously it is the major effect of the global warming and reduce the planet's ability to reflect the sunlight even. Now, fourth and the last point, that how does the climate change affect the extreme weather? It urbanization effect impacts. It actually urbanization contribute the climate change through the greenhouse gases. Like obviously we use the greenhouse, we emit the greenhouse gases by our day-to-day activities. I already made the whole video of these things as well. After this thing, definitely watch all these things to know about more over the all things. And obviously it create a heat island effect as well. So now next is, we are talking about negative things already, now we have to some take some solution as well, that how to deal with the extreme weather. Of course there are few solutions in front of you. First is emission reduction. Definitely, if we reduce the carbon emission amount or carbon emission gases in the environment, definitely global warming will decrease. And this is a very major thing, I can say that, and I already made that video as well, that how to reduce the emission of the carbon whole thing. Next is infrastructure adaptation. It also I can address the extreme weather by obviously release resilience into the design and construction, and planning and building should be that which can endure and forbear about the harsh condition as well. Next is education and public awareness. Definitely, education and public awareness are the very important thing, that how we can spread the education over the things that to deal with the extreme weather condition, why it is important to emit the low carbon emissions, whatever the things that we know, that we have to actually spread it in the whole world. It is the only thing that we can just connect with the people and let them also know that what are they doing and what we are do need actually. Ecosystem restoration is one of the very best point, I can say that. It is moreover like deforestation, afforestation, all these things are actually rebuilding rebuilding the natural buffers which reduce any kind of catastrophe or disaster or any kind of extreme situations and weather could be dealt by this point as well. So this is all about the things, but also technologies and weather forecast are also very helpful, which from which we can get some idea that how to become more concerned about the things and how we know about the things, because there are lots of points like satellite system and weather monitoring. We have to know about all these things. And second thing, advanced computer models, it actually give you the indication of the weather forecast. Next, weather app, obviously everyone know this thing. Disaster mitigation tools like earthquake mitigation tool or volcano mitigation tool. Lots of mitigation tools related to the disasters are already available on the platform. So that's why these are all the technologies and the things that we can use for our safety. And also again the same thing, you have to spread the awareness of all these things as well if you know already. Now, let's conclude the whole session, which is going to be a very important thing. Extreme weather conditions are actually becoming more frequent and unpredictable. We already know that thing. Lots of parts are in India as well. It is affected by the whole thing. So, it is unpredictable and more frequent. So, now it impacts the global warming, climate change, and everything that are concerned directly to the human being. So impact are not only visible in the environment but also on the economy, health, the quality of the life of the people, construction and agriculture, and all other factors that we are depending upon. Through the international cooperation, advanced technology, and sustainable individual actions, we can actually reduce the risk and build a more stable and secure future for everyone, which is the today's need at any cost. So this is all about the conclusion part. I hope that you already enjoyed the session. I'm hopeful that thing, that this material is very useful for you. And also you know about a new thing that is related to the climate change and extreme weather condition. So that is all for the day. Thank you so much for listening me. Let's wrap up this whole session because that's all for the day. I hope you enjoyed the session. We will meet definitely very soon. Up to that point, definitely happy learning and take care. Bye learner buddies.